Are you ready to explore the world of awesome gadgets that can keep you safe and sound? We've got a fantastic lineup of 22 gadgets that are like your own personal superheroes, ready to protect you in any situation. But wait, have you ever wondered how technology can make our lives safer? Stick around as we dive into these incredible devices and discover how they can be your ultimate shield against danger. So, are you ready to gear up and explore these life-saving gadgets? Let's jump right in. First, introducing the P-Shot Pen Shot. It's not your ordinary pen, let me tell you that. This little guy packs a punch with a compound similar to pepper spray. So, if you ever find yourself face-to-face with a robber or an attacker, you can defend yourself effectively from a distance of up to 9 meters. And that's not all. If things get up close and personal, the pen's serrated edge will come in pretty handy too. The best part? It's priced at just $149, making it an affordable option for anyone looking to stay safe on the go. But wait, there's more. Let me introduce you to the Wonder Hoodie. Yep, that's its actual name, and trust me, it lives up to it. This hoodie is unlike any other. It's tough as nails, able to withstand cuts, punctures, and even fire. And you know what the secret is? It's all thanks to the innovative SWX fabric used by the creators. This hoodie isn't just tough, it's stylish too, coming in a unisex style with 7 different size options to choose from. Sure, it's priced a bit higher at $795, but can you really put a price on safety and style combined? Now we have telescopic batons. These are handy tools that can enhance your personal safety. They're like collapsible sticks that you can extend when you need them. And guess what? They're usually pretty affordable. You can find a set of 3 batons for just $122 on a Chinese website. That's a great deal. Now, carrying these batons around is super easy too. You can get yourself a universal holster for about $12. These holsters are awesome because they can rotate 360 degrees, making it convenient for you to carry your batons wherever you go. Plus, they can accommodate batons up to 66 centimeters long. So, you can stay prepared and keep yourself safe without breaking the bank. Next, let's talk about Envy's cool bracelet. This isn't just any ordinary bracelet, it's a fashion accessory with a twist. It looks totally normal, but it's got a secret weapon hidden inside. Inside the bracelet, there's a capsule filled with a super stinky substance. Yuck! But here's the genius part. If you ever find yourself in a sticky situation, all you have to do is push a button and pull the bracelet. This releases the stinky stuff and can help deter an attacker. Pretty smart, right? And the best part is, this bracelet won't cost you an arm and a leg. It's priced at just $74, which is totally worth it for the peace of mind it can give you. Have you ever watched Peaky Blinders? You know how those characters hide blades in their hats? Well, the folks behind the gotcha cap took inspiration from that, but in a regular baseball cap. Instead of a blade, the brim of this cap hides a special self-defense tool. It's great for both striking and blocking blows, keeping you safe. And guess what? You can grab one for just $45. Now, let's talk about another cool gadget inspired by military history, the knuckle duster. It's designed to look like the handle of a trench knife from World War I. But besides its historical significance, these brass knuckles also have a handy feature, a built-in bottle opener. Talk about versatile, right? Plus, they're super compact, measuring just 8 by 7 centimeters, and they won't break the bank at $18. Now a unique invention, a knife hidden inside a smartphone case. Yep, you heard that right. So, there's this company called Knife that came up with this cool idea. They thought, hey, why not make a smartphone case that also has a knife inside? Pretty clever, huh? The knife itself is pretty nifty. It's got a blade that's about 5.4 centimeters long, which is just the right size for lots of tasks. And get this, it's designed to be easy to grip, even if it's dark outside. That's handy. Now, Knife tried to get this idea off the ground by launching a campaign on Kickstarter. They wanted to raise money to make these Knife smartphone cases available to everyone. But unfortunately, the campaign didn't do so well. Why? Well, some folks think it might be because of the price. They were asking for $89 for a set that included the knife and a sheath. That's a bit steep for some people. So, even though the idea was pretty cool, it looks like it didn't quite hit the mark with everyone. But who knows? Maybe Knife will come up with something even cooler in the future. We'll just have to wait and see. Now let's talk about this awesome shield you can get for just $80. Yep, you heard that right, a shield. But this isn't just any old shield. It's designed for versatility and self-defense. It's compact, measuring just 47 centimeters, which makes it easy to carry around. Plus, it's suitable for both right and left-handed users, so no one's left out. And get this, it's super lightweight, weighing in at just 700 grams. That means you can wield it with ease and protect yourself whenever you need to. Now, onto something even more fascinating, the Bowler Wrap from Wrap Company. This nifty device is all about enhancing criminal apprehension, fancy lingo for catching bad guys. Picture this, a fleeing criminal trying to make a getaway. But with the Bowler Wrap, they're not going anywhere. This device can immobilize them by firing a Kevlar cord from a distance of up to 8 meters. That's some serious reach. And guess what? Law enforcement agencies are already using this bad boy to keep our streets safe. You can get your hands on one too, for anywhere between $150 to $1,800, depending on the model. Then we've got a tactic key. Now, these guys have a simple message. Safety is a state of mind. And they've come up with a nifty little accessory to help you stay vigilant. It's called Tactic Key, and it's basically a regular key transformed into a self-defense tool. And guess what? It's only $13. So, next time you're out and about, just carry your keys with you, and you'll have an extra layer of protection. Next on our list is the SEON 180 Degrees Backpack. Now, this isn't your ordinary backpack, it's got some seriously smart tech built in. Picture this, a camera with smart AI algorithms keeping an eye on what's happening behind you. If it spots anything unusual, like someone sneaking up on you, it'll send a notification straight to your smartphone. How cool is that? Plus, it's got a massive 20,000 mAh battery and even a solar panel for recharging on the go. It's available for pre-order at $440, and trust us, it's worth every penny for that peace of mind. Meet the Dapper Defender, it's not your ordinary comb. Nope, this bad boy is designed to keep you safe while you're out and about. And the best part? It's super affordable, priced at just $10. With an 11 centimeters long blade hidden inside, it's small enough to slip into most women's handbags. So, not only does it keep your hair looking on point, but it also packs a punch when it comes to self-defense. Talk about a handy tool to have around. Next on our list are finger slingshots. Now, these may look small, but don't let their size fool you. They can really pack a punch. Some of these slingshots are even marketed as hunting slingshots, launching projectiles at speeds of up to 50 meters per second. How cool is that? Plus, they're pocket-friendly, so you can carry them with you wherever you go. Whether you're looking for a bit of fun or some added self-defense, these slingshots have got you covered. Then we've got the hyper whistle, and let me tell you, it's not your average whistle. Nope, this bad boy rightfully claims the title of the world's loudest whistle, cranking out over 142 decibels of sound. That's louder than a jet engine taking off. Can you believe it? This whistle isn't just for your typical sports coach, it's actually used on American aircraft carriers and even commissioned by the US Navy. And guess what? It's so powerful that it works underwater too. Imagine that! And get this, you can snag one for just $15. Yup, that's right, for just $15, you can have the world's loudest whistle right at your fingertips. Pretty awesome, huh? Now, let's talk about something a little more intense, the concealed whip. Picture this, you're a trucker cruising down the highway and suddenly, you find yourself in a sticky situation. Well, fear not, because with the concealed whip, you'll be ready to defend yourself in style. This innovative gadget is hidden right in your belt or shoulder strap, so attackers won't even see it coming. Crafted from tough steel cable, this whip is no joke. It'll catch those bad guys off guard and keep you safe on the road. And the best part? You can get your hands on one for just $89. That's a small price to pay for peace of mind, wouldn't you say? Then we've got the Stinger. It's like a little buddy that fits right on your keychain. This nifty device has everything you need to handle aggressive situations. It's got a loud siren to grab attention, a glass breaker to help you escape from a car if you're stuck, and a cutter to quickly free yourself from anything that's tying you down. And the best part? It's only $25, so it won't break the bank. Next, we've got the Stun Gun 519. This bad boy is like having a professional bodyguard in your pocket. It's designed for serious self-defense and comes with some awesome features. There's a built-in flashlight to light up dark corners, and its knuckle duster-shaped design gives you a super secure grip, so you can feel confident in any situation. Plus, it's only $18, making it a super affordable option for staying safe. Now meet Saber. They've come up with a really interesting idea for pepper spray. So, you know how pepper spray can be super helpful for keeping yourself safe, right? Well, Saber's taken it up a notch. After you use their pepper spray, it sends out your location coordinates to some preset contacts. How cool is that? It's like an extra layer of safety, especially if you're in trouble or need help. And guess what? It's priced at just $30, making it accessible for lots of people who want to feel more secure. Next, we've got something for all you knife enthusiasts out there, the CRKT Provoke, invented by the one and only Joe Caswell. Now, this knife isn't just any old knife. It's got a really cool kinematic opening system. What's that, you ask? Well, it means the way it opens is super smooth and quick, kind of like magic. Plus, it's designed to be really sturdy and reliable. It's priced at $200, but for all the features and quality it offers, it's definitely worth it if you're serious about your knives. We've got the Door Bull, the ultimate defense for your door. It's all about making sure your home stays safe and sound. This nifty gadget fortifies your door, making it super tough for anyone to break in. No more surprises for homeowners. And guess what? You can get your hands on one for just $40. That's a steal for peace of mind. Next, we've got the Strobe Defender. It's like having your own personal alarm system right in your pocket. This baby packs a punch with the world's best strobe and siren combo. With a dazzling 90,000 lumens of light and a super loud 140 dB sound, it'll definitely get people's attention in a pinch. And the best part? It's only $39. Talk about bang for your buck. Now, let's talk about wallets, but not just any old wallet. We're talking about a safety-focused wallet made from aerospace-grade aluminum. This bad boy can hold up to 7 cards, cash, and even your keys, keeping everything nice and secure. Plus, it's sleek and stylish, so you'll look good while staying safe. Ready to grab one for yourself? They're available for purchase now. So there you have it, folks. 3 awesome products to help you stay safe and secure. Whether it's fortifying your door, sounding the alarm, or keeping your valuables safe, there's something here for everyone. Thanks for tuning in and stay safe out there.